Check it out, guys. Someone just ordered this shirt and they paid for 1 day shipping. And if you do not have your shipping set for 1 day, you will lose a lot of money. There's the order right there, Expedited. So mine is set. So I hit buy shipping, and I'm gonna show you they paid an extra $25.49 because that's what I got mine set to this person's location. So I'm just gonna put in the measurements of this. It's gonna be 11.9 by 1, and I have to weigh it, but let's say it weighs 10 ounces, for example. You're gonna see the shipping. So we are gonna go with the padded. We don't have any at the house, but we have the regular priority ones that you can upgrade. And we fold it up. We took all the pricing that we paid. We took that off. You know, we also poly bag it. Look at that. We leave this on there because they didn't pay $50, so they look at it and they're like, wow, I got a discount. But, you know, he did pay over $60 because of the shipping. But he will be getting it tomorrow, as long as you get it to the post office before 3 o'clock. Remember that. So we have 30 minutes to get to the post office, which is 2 minutes away. And we do not have the express ones, but you can always use these and upgrade in the post office. So padded express, you can upgrade the priority express padded. You just have to give it to them. And that's all.